Greetings, Performance Reviews, where I give you the review from the technician's point of view. And today I have a SEBO E3. Now, I haven't done a video on a C3, even though this has been on the market for maybe 8 or 9 years. And the reason is these are very uncommon to see in for repair. These are really hardy, tough vacuums. And this one actually works just fine, except the cord rewind, the last 5 or so feet are not coming out. I have no idea why that is. I have, again, never had to repair one of these. So we're going to go ahead and pull the upholstery tool off, and let's open up, and that bag is pretty darn full. Let's go ahead and we'll replace that a little bit later. So we'll go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Now there are some Torx 20 screws here. And most of these, by the way, have 5 or 10 year warranties, so just make sure you bring this to your dealer. I wouldn't recommend doing this at home, especially when it's in warranty. I'm pulling the exhaust filter out. I'm just going to set it aside and see what that looks like. There's plenty of life left on that one too. All right, well, that's 4 screws. Now, traditionally with SEBO, the air belt will come off, but let's see. I don't know if this one comes off that way. Oh, these don't even look like screws. These look like rivets. Those are coming off too. So those are the 2 screws that are different. Okay. You can see all the sound deadening. It is so cool. You can see. There's the cord rewind. You can get to the air belt. Let's see. Oh, I see what's going on here. The air belt comes off. It's one piece. Really cool. See all the deflectors. This assembly comes off. Just lift it off the rear. We got a screw. All right, there's a screw hidden right there. So right in the parking spot, we have a screw. And then there's 2 screws under this lid. Let's see if the indicator actually has to come off. So we've pulled the 1 screw out of the lid. And then it looks like what happens is this red part will clip up. Come off. Yep. So that's just a fascia. That's cool. You can see the bag check indicator right there with a spring. And it pulls on the spring. That's interesting. All right, and then we can see our 2 screws right there that we're going to take out. And once that's out, let's pull the crevice tool out. I want to show the hinge mechanism. So in order to pull the hinge, this cover off, you can take this on both sides, the screwdriver, and give it some love, and then it should hinge off like so. So I'm going to take this, pry with the screwdriver on one side, take the screwdriver on the other side and pry, and that lid will come off. Then once the lid is off, now it should be, you can see it's open season. I'm pulling that off. That will just lift right off like so. Now we have access to the more mechanical bits of the machine. And we're going to go ahead and, if you want to pull the cord rewind or the plug out, that guy comes off. Oh, just like so. Set that aside. Now we have this off, and these usually split. This one doesn't. Weird. All right, we're going to pull this cord out and see what's going on. all the cord came out, and we have relieved the nut. Well, the strange thing about this, folks, is nothing's actually broken. This all seems fine and dandy to put back together. Stranger things have happened in the industry, but I think what happened was the customer somehow probably dropped the machine or something when the reel was moving, and that's what caused that. So that all extends properly. I'm going to make sure this is in this groove when I'm putting this together. It's kind of like, this doesn't just go like straight in. This definitely has its own like, you have a, yeah, okay. There's like a groove where this needs to go. You need to press up on that while you're pushing the cord in. So the cord is in the right place. Let's get this motherfucker seated. Test the cord rewind. That's good. And we can now just start reassembling. Not much to it. You know, that's what we love about SEBOs, that they're just easy to repair. Very, very simple to repair. So let's go ahead and put the screws in. We'll roll in some relaxing music. Put the top on. Give the top a good slam. All the screws appear to be the same, except for the two by the filter. Put that in. When you put this in, make sure you rock this into place. It'll rock and lock. Put our two specialty screws in here. And now we're going to put the rest of the screws in. We'll just roll in a montage with music. All right, I've reattached the hose. Let's see if she's working. Excellent, excellent. Everything seems good on it. Well, that's how to service an E3 from SEBO. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe for all the latest vacuum stuff. Have yourself a wonderful day.